What's up everyone, and welcome to yet another video on my channel. So today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Before we start this video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. With the Samsung Galaxy S20 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, Samsung's flagship phones took a major leap forward this year, and it could continue with the highly awaited Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Like the update to the Galaxy S series this year, the next phablet Galaxy Note could be a big step up from last year's models, with some key display and camera upgrades that could make one of the best big phones much greater. Based on recent rumors we have heard, you won't have to wait very long for the Note 20 to arrive, starting from name and release date. Samsung has not confirmed the Galaxy Note 20 name. Over the years, Samsung's Note and Galaxy S lines have mirrored each other closely. Just recently, the name of the Galaxy S line jumped from 10 to 20, so the Note line would make sense as well. Also, this year Samsung will likely introduce two variants, the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Plus. Technically, adopting the latest Ultra branding is feasible for the Note line, but the Plus label is more possible. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 may be unveiled alongside the rumored Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 as early as July, according to reputed Twitter leakster Max Winbash. It is in line with the typical release schedule for Samsung's Note smartphones, usually released every year by August. However, it is worth keeping an eye on any possible rumors about the release date of Note 20, as the coronavirus outbreak has left the tech world in flux. We also assume that the company is likely to announce it in an online rather than a physical event. Talking about design, an early leak from the possible phone case for the upcoming handset reveals a little bit about what we can expect from its design. The leaked images reveal what the official Samsung Galaxy Note 20 LED view cover looks to be, an inlay mold. Through these photos, there are few things we can conclude about the handset. Firstly, we have a clear idea of what we should expect from the camera array of the Galaxy Note 20. If these leaked images are to be trusted, we can probably expect a robust camera setup similar to what we see on Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. We can also see the Galaxy Note 20 might switch the hardware buttons to the device's right side. The Galaxy Note 10 was the first smartphone to change them to the left, but Samsung could take back this step. Since these pictures are only a leak from a possible case frame, we must take this knowledge with a pinch of salt. There are still many aspects that can change over the handset between now and its final release date, so keep that in mind. Other than that, we should expect some highlights of the series to appear in the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, assuming it will tout a S Pen, a bezel-less design, a frame of glass and metal. Moving on to specs and features. As for specifications, we expect the new Snapdragon 865 SoC and 5G networking to be included in both the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus. The handsets in other markets might tout Samsung Exynos processors, likely the Exynos 990. We also expect the phone to feature an IP68 water resistance rating, at least 12 GB of RAM, and at least 256 GB of internal storage, wireless charging, in-display fingerprint scanner, and multi-sensor camera setup. Only the Note 10 Plus featured expandable storage, so at least the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus should see it this year, but hopefully both will. A recent Sam Mobile report suggests the battery capacity of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will start at 4000 mAh. This would be larger than the 3500 mAh battery of the standard Samsung Galaxy Note 10, but the same size as the regular Samsung Galaxy S20s. If that's the case, there will be at least 4500 mAh of battery on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus, but we expect to see a 5000 mAh capacity like the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Unfortunately, Samsung's headphone jack has already been dropped from its flagship smartphones, so don't expect to see a return in the Note 20 series. And in last, price and availability. Samsung's flagship handsets are among the most costly on the market, and it would be no different for the Galaxy Note 20 series. We haven't seen any reported pricing yet, but previous smartphone prices from the firm will give us an idea of what to do. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, priced at $949, while the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 5G version priced at $1,049. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage priced at $1,099, while the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage priced at $1,199. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage priced at $1,299, while the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage priced at $1,399. Since the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series is expected to come with the Snapdragon 865 SoC, and if the pricing of last year is anything to go by, both the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus will see price tags beginning at no less than $1,000. As for availability, you should expect a worldwide launch of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. That means we will most likely to see it land in the US, Europe, South Korea, and more. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. My name is Hamza, this is TechFilter, and I'll catch you in the next one.